Did you know that marketing jobs are more competitive than ever? Here's why studying marketing in Australia could be your secret weapon to success. Marketing is now one of the hottest fields in the world. From small businesses to global corporations, every company needs great marketers. And that's why international students are flocking to Australia for this career path. But why Australia? Let me break it down for you. Why study marketing in Australia? First, no experience? No problem. Australian universities offer flexible study plans for everyone. If you have a related background, you can complete your degree in just 1 to 1.5 years. No background in marketing? No worries. You can enroll in a 2-year program to cover all the basics first. Second, real-world experience built into the program. Australia's universities use a work-integrated learning system. This means you'll study in the classroom and gain hands-on experience with internships and projects. Third, the post-study work visa. After completing at least 2 years of study, you can apply for a 485 visa. This lets you work in Australia for up to 5 years, depending on your degree and location. Imagine the portfolio you can build with international experience. Part 2. Top marketing majors in Australia. Let's talk about your options. Option 1. Marketing. This major gives you a deep dive into strategy, planning, and campaign management. It's perfect if you want to become a marketing specialist or business development manager. Option 2. Marketing communications. This is for the creatives who love connecting with people. It's all about building relationships between brands and customers. Think PR managers, media directors, or marketing coordinators. Option 3. Digital or social media marketing. This is where the future of marketing is heading. You'll learn digital tools, strategies, and how to master online platforms. Careers here range from digital analysts to social media specialists and beyond. Part 3. Entry requirements and top universities. What do you need to get in? For a bachelor's, you'll need Year 12 or a diploma with IELTS, 6.5. For a master's, you'll need a bachelor's degree and sometimes work experience. And where should you study? Check out Triple Crown accredited universities like Monash or UNSW, or QS top-ranked schools like Macquarie and the University of Queensland. Part 4. Immigration pathways for marketing graduates. Dreaming of staying in Australia long-term? Here's how you can make it happen. Step 1. Apply for a 485 post-study work visa. This gives you time to gain valuable work experience in Australia. Step 2. Explore permanent residence options. With pathways like skilled-nominated visas, subclass 190, or employer sponsorship, you could turn your study into a long-term career in Australia. Australia isn't just a place to study, it's a launchpad for your marketing career. If you're ready to combine education, real-world experience, and global opportunities, start exploring your options today. So what are you waiting for? Hit the like button if this inspired you and share it with someone chasing a marketing dream.